REV3L, the crypto gem you should not miss out on KuCoin. REV3L is digital copyright protection and anti-counterfeit solution for artists, creators, and intellectual property owners in the digital and physical ecosystems. It allows any user, creator, collector, or marketplace to verify the authenticity and originality of their digital media assets, both on and off the blockchain. REV3L preserves the value of digital media and NFTs by employing robust multi-layered security protocols and user-friendly verification. REV3L features multi-layered security protocols, digital media authentication, digital media verification. The REV3L team includes decades of combined experience across cybersecurity technology, product development, blockchain technology, and the creative industries. REV3L's impressive relationship lineup includes over 50 strategic partnerships ranging from investment strategic and technical integration partners. If you want to learn more about KuCoin's crypto gems, subscribe to KuCoin's YouTube channel for more project details.